I will be revealing a delicious smoothie that's not only tasty, but also beneficial for prostate health. I will be focusing on a mix of blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and pomegranate because of the incredible health benefits of each of those berries and the research behind their effects on prostate health. Like a study by Jones et al. In the Journal of Prostate Health, 2018 found that a diet rich in vitamin C is associated with a 20% risk of prostate enlargement. Keep watching to the end, where I will provide an ingredients list and step-by-step preparation instruction on how to make a serving of this nutrient-packed powerhouse prostate elixir for one. I will also put a link in the description for the blender that I use to make my smoothies. Because I am a member of the Amazon affiliate program, I have to let you know that if you use that link to buy that blender, I will get a small commission from Amazon. Blackberries reduce inflammation, inhibit prostate cancer cell growth. Blackberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins C and K, which help reduce inflammation and promote overall prostate health. Studies have shown that the ellagic acid in blackberries can inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells. Blueberries, anti-inflammatory, reduce risk of prostate cancer. Blueberries contain flavonoids and anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests that the compounds in blueberries may reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. Strawberries support immune function, inhibit prostate cancer cell growth. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help support immune function and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Studies have found that the ellagic acid in strawberries can inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells. Raspberries promote digestive health, prevent prostate cancer. Raspberries are high in fiber and vitamin C, promoting digestive health and reducing inflammation. Research has shown that the antioxidants in raspberries can help prevent prostate cancer by inhibiting tumor growth. Pomegranate, reduced risk of prostate cancer, induce apoptosis in cancer cells. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which have been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer and improved prostate health. Studies suggest that pomegranate extract may slow the growth of prostate cancer cells and even induce apoptosis or cell death in cancerous cells. Keep watching as I will reveal the ingredients list and step-by-step preparation instruction for this powerful prostate health smoothie. Before I do that, do me this small, quick and easy, but significantly important favor. As you're seated there watching this video, I'd like you to reach out for your device and click on the thumbs up symbol. Though it might seem like a small thing, but clicking on that thumbs up button carries immense significance. It is showing your appreciation for the information contained within this video. You're also helping to bring this content to the attention of other viewers. Imagine that little click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence many others. It's a small act, but its impact can be massive, spreading this valuable knowledge far and wide. Also, click on the share button and share this video across your social networks, through your emails, and on all other platforms. The power of knowledge is in its distribution and in its sharing. In this age of information overload, quality content can often get lost. By sharing, you're ensuring that this valuable information reaches as many people as possible, contributing to a collective increase in knowledge. Now, in order to stay updated and to ensure that you will never miss out on all the new informative videos that are posted, click the subscribe button and the bell beside it, then select all. Oh, and by the way, if you watch this video from your television, you can perform all these actions from your mobile phone or your computer. You're not just subscribing to a channel, but you're also joining a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated. Moreover, my channel is a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. You'll gain access to a plethora of healthy recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. These recipes are not just delicious, they're also designed to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Apart from this, you will learn about superfoods, those nutrient powerhouses that can boost your health and energy. I don't just tell you what they are, but also explain their health benefits. Knowledge like this empowers you to make conscious, informed decisions about your diet. Furthermore, this channel seeks to educate you on how to listen to your body. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending us signs that tells us when something is off balance. By being part of my channel, you'll learn to interpret these signs, to understand when all is not well within your system. This knowledge is invaluable. It allows you to take proactive steps in taking care of your health. It's not just about me talking, I want to hear from you as well. Your comments, suggestions and queries all enrich this platform. They help me understand your needs better and give me an idea of how to curate content that's more relevant to you. So, don't hesitate. Make a comment. It could be a question, a suggestion, or just a simple greeting. Remember, this channel is a dialogue, not a monologue. So, are you ready? Ready to be part of this knowledge-packed community? Go ahead, make a comment. I would love to hear from you. Now, let's whip up this prostate health smoothie. This recipe ingredients is for a serving for one person. Here's what you'll need. Half cup of blackberries, half cup of blueberries, half cup of strawberries, half cup of raspberries, quarter cup of pomegranate seeds, half cup of water or coconut water. Simply add all the ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy. So, when's the best time to enjoy this smoothie for maximum prostate health benefits? Studies suggest that consuming berries and pomegranate regularly can have a positive impact on prostate health. Enjoying this smoothie in the morning or as an afternoon snack can provide a refreshing boost of nutrients to support your prostate health goals. Remember, incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet is key to maintaining overall health, including prostate health. So, why not start your day with this delicious and nutritious smoothie? Thank you for joining me on this journey of health and wellness. Your time, interest and engagement are deeply appreciated. I encourage you all to share your thoughts, experiences and queries in the comment section below. Sharing this video with your loved ones could also inspire them to start their own health journey. However, it's crucial to note that the information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making major changes to your diet or lifestyle, particularly if you have underlying health issues. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, and it's essential to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. So use this information as a starting point and work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Until my next video, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.